Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 17th of June, 2023. This is going to be our SoFi stock alert. Trying to figure out, is the high in? Is the high, the current price in SoFi occurred, the high, since this very good run occurred on the 14th of June. Was that the high? Because if so, yeah, you may want to take some of that profit off the table because you won. You beat your opponent in the stock market. We're going to talk about that today. Now, take a look at the chart. All right. Let me just keep it a buck. Keep it real. Be careful of what people say that you can't do in stocks. There's a great mantra being strewn on YouTube of people telling you that you can't time the market, that you can't time the top or the bottom. Well, check this out. As of right now, from our price prediction in SoFi on June the 9th, we timed the high in the market. Is that by coincidence? No, it's not. The moment that we said that our ultimate target price in SoFi was going to be around $10, this is where the sellers entered in. And ever since the market topped that $10 area, what's been going on with the price? We are seeing price come down. And they said that you cannot time on when to enter and exit out positions. That's precisely what we just did in this example. 23.33%. Now, the good thing is that price didn't take long to hit that area. Once I figure out how I can time the market, I will be even that more dangerous. That's one of the inabilities that I don't have right now, is timing when price is going to move a certain direction. But hey, keep working on it, right? So check this out. That was the current high into the market in SoFi. And what we're going to do here is we're going to figure out, okay, how low do you think price is going to go now? Okay, we need to figure that out. And our first objective is down here at $8. Why would I say $8? Well, because historically, $8 was seen as resistance. It was acting as a lid, as a top. Since price in SoFi has broken that to the upside, then we need to see the market buyers step in again to keep the market supported. It's just simple. It's not hard. That's our first objective, is to see that happen. Because if so, then right here, $8 is a buying opportunity. Now, let's take a look at the market in SoFi on a weekly chart. Okay, so this is SoFi here on the weekly. Now, when you see this weekly price bar, I mean, you just got to take note of what it is. If you didn't take profit on this week of trading, maybe you might need to do it next week, because someone in SoFi definitely did. The market in SoFi over the last trading week was able to run up to $10, but due to the amount of volume, look at the increase in volume here at the bottom. Someone definitely sold. They're trying to get you to left holding the bag. They're trying to get you to hold the bag while they take the bag and go with their money. $8. Pay attention. That is weakness right there on the weekly chart. Here is SoFi on the 2 weeks. The completion, you guys can see that price did close off the highs. Again, weakness. And here it is on the 3. How do you guys feel about the price action in SoFi? Because my concern now is seeing price hold $8. That's where we at currently. Okay. So this market currently is weak. When you even look at it on the daily chart, we received another indicator of weakness combined, a fake and a push to go down, all on one price bar. That emphatically tells you that the price is currently weak. Now, it may not be that weak at all, but one thing I want you all to see that has occurred into the market in SoFi, if I were to take this breakout here and follow this trend, okay, let me get rid of this. The market in SoFi is now breaking this massive run that started on the 30th of May. That trend is now broken from yesterday's trading action. I'm not telling you how to think, but when you see something like that, your analysis needs to change somewhat, slightly. And then if you get more confirmation that buyers don't hold $8, then your analysis needs to begin to change. You need to say, okay, we were bullish. We were at the ending of May. But we are now seeing hints, and this is the first hint right now, of price in SoFi breaking below trend. The second hint is these two indicators of weakness. And then the third hint would be us not seeing price hold $8. Just putting it all together so you all can see it. Here is SoFi on the 330-minute chart. Okay. And again, price is broken. And even here on the 330-minute chart, this is still showing us weakness. Here it is on the 30 minutes. Okay, throughout the trading day on Friday, this market in SoFi tried to catch buyers right there on that 90-minute price bar. You guys can see what happened throughout the rest of the trading day. They couldn't catch buyers. They didn't show up. And if they don't show up, you got to expect more weakness. Okay? Even here on the 1 hour. 3, 5, and the 7. The 7-hour chart tells me that the market is still weak in SoFi too. So again, I'm looking for price to go down in SoFi. So rather than us paying attention to this massive breakout that occurred in SoFi in May, we may have to transpose that trend down here to even get more confirmation of buyers. Okay, so let me show you all that on the daily. The market in SoFi, I'm telling you this now, this is where we'll, ultimately, if it doesn't hold $8, then this will have to be the second location that we need to see the buyers. Okay, so I'm already dropping targets for us in SoFi on this move to the downside already. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart and I'll be through. We're going to look for SoFi to go down. We already got our high, which is around $10, because like I said, that was the high. So that's going to be seen as resistance. And we're going to have our first target right around $8. You guys can see that it's 6.16%. $8. My second target is going to be here at $7.70, 68 cents. That is 10.8%. Move to the downside there. And then my final target would take us to this ascending line, or around like $7.25. That's 15.91% move lower. Okay, that is it. Now, the sooner that we find buyers in SoFi, the better, i.e. $8. If they don't hold $8, then the high may have been in the market in SoFi, at least in the interim. I'm not saying it's the final high, but it's the high until we find the next level of buyers. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.